Hi, welcome to the For Seller channel. This video will show you how to scrape Alibaba products and publish them to your Temu store. First, please search for Seller Scrape extension at the Chrome Web Store. Choose to add it to your Chrome option. Only adding Seller Scrape extension you can use scrape function. Right now, Seller supports scrape products via two ways. First one is to scrape product one by one. So you enter the Etsy product details page, the extension will pop up automatically. Choose to scrape it to the collection box, and then choose View Scraped button. The page will jump into the scrape page. Find the product that you have scraped and choose to push to your store. Click the shop you want to push to and wait for ends of the green progress bar and choose Go to Publish. And the page will enter into your Temu store draft page. Now you can see the product you scraped missed some information, so you need to edit it before publishing. Here it showed you need to input specific and the SKU details, so please enter the product details page. Enter the SKU you have customized for the product here. Use the one-click image cropping functions to batch edit your images that are not meted the publish requirements. Select specifics information for your products here to make sure your product information is more comprehensive. Then you can choose to save the information you filled in or save and publish this product. You can find the status has already become publishable. You can publish it right now. Let me show you how to scrape product and generate it into store draft. Choose Generate Store Draft and choose the platform and store you want to publish, then click the Save as Draft button. Selecting to go to publish will directly redirect you to your Temu draft page. Go to the product details information to modify the required fields, and click Save to save your product information, then publish it. And the second method, you can choose to batch scrape products. Enter the scrape page, copy products links in scrape box and click Scrape button and choose Publish to Store. And choose Go to Publish. The page also enter the store draft page automatically. Products just collected lack SKU information, so you need to manually fill in the SKU. Seller supports batch modification of product information, so first select these two products and then click the Batch Modification button. Through updating the information, click the Save button. Status of the two products have already become publishable. Then you can also select the products to batch release these products. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to experience more For Seller function, you can subscribe For Seller channel and sign up an account to know more.